Hello everyone, this is Alexander. Today, a brief update on the general works in the second phase of Layan Green Park. The construction of the retaining wall behind buildings G and F has been fully completed, and we have started building the retaining wall in the third zone. In building G, finishing works continue on the 7th floor, as well as tile laying in the apartments. The pouring of the structures for the private pools on the first floor has been completed. Supports for engineering equipment have been installed on the roof, and we have already started installing the equipment itself. The installation of cables, plumbing and ventilation pipes has been completed from the 1st to the 7th floor. Facade works are ongoing, including priming and initial painting of part of the facade, as well as installation of aluminum frames. Work on communications for the IT infrastructure is in its final stage. We have started glazing the common areas. In Building H, tile installation in the apartments is ongoing, and the installation of cables, plumbing, and ventilation pipe from the 2nd to the 7th floor has been completed. Supports for engineering equipment have been installed on the roof, and installation of the equipment has begun. Facade plastering is in its final stage. We have started installing aluminum frames. The air conditioning and ventilation systems are 80% complete. Work on the IT infrastructure is in its final stage. Electrical installation is at 23%. In Building K, the installation of interior partitions has been completed from the 3rd to the 5th floor, and we have started work on the 2nd floor. Planter boxes for plants have also been poured from the 4th to the 7th floor, and work has begun on the 3rd floor. The installation of fan coil units for the air conditioning system has been completed on the 4th, 5th, 6th, and 7th floors. The installation of cables and plumbing pipes has been completed from the 5th to the 7th floor. Installation of cable trays and channels for low voltage systems has begun on the 7th floor. The hot and cold water supply systems are 49% complete. Foundation work continues in Building L. We have started concreting the first underground floor. 38% of the total volume has been poured. Thank you for watching our latest updates. Please subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell so you don't miss any of the latest news. See you next time.